Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I set up my planner to prepare for the week. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the add-on sticker kit from our Hummingbirds collection. So this comes with date covers, some boxes, washi strips, and then our sidebar stickers. Now, this is an extension to our regular full kit that I did last week. If you guys didn't see that plan with me, I'll leave that link down below. But here's a little peek at how it has turned out for the week. So it started off with the base stickers and very little writing, but you can see it did get filled up. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by putting down the sidebar stickers, and actually I think what I'm going to do is put down the washi first. Now there's a couple choices. The large washi here, which I'm going to do this week. Now this washi strip has a white box in the middle, so it's good to use as an extension to your planning. So if you want to put down like your breakfast, lunch, and dinners down here, or you can use it as a nice quote. I like to leave mine blank until the week actually starts, and then I decide what I want to do for the week. So I'm putting down the sidebar now. Now these are actually made to put at the bottom of the planner, and you can see the calendar and the little black box, but I like to cover that up with a little washi. Now I'm going to go ahead and put down the rest of the washi, the sidebars, and the date covers for the rest of the month. That way I have a whole base of stickers ready for when I want to start planning. You can see I have sticky notes ready to write things in here. So if it comes up, I usually use the sticky notes, but now that I have a base of sticker kits down, I'll go ahead and just start planning in here ahead of time. Now, I don't always do this every week. I usually am only prepared to plan for the week ahead, but having these add-on stickers, I thought that this would be a really nice change to have all of the stickers set down first, and then that way I can just get right to planning and put down any of the notes that I need to, like all those little sticky notes, I can transfer into the planner right away. Now, since I'm putting down all of these stickers for the month, I thought that this would be a great time to create a new habit and choose one thing that I want to focus on for the week. So you can see right there, I have a little sticky note that said design. I just decided to cover it up. So this week I'm actually going to work on designing for the whole week. Now it's not always going to be shop related. Like for one week I'm going to be focused on my health and my exercise, fitness, and eating habits. Along with my focus for the week, I'm also going to be choosing my top 3 things that I want to accomplish. So these can be things like if I'm going to be designing, what are the top 3 designs that I want to accomplish, or if it is my health and fitness week, what weight do I want to try to get to, if I want to lose a pound or if I want to lose inches or get workouts done, things like that. So this is a great time to create a new habit that will help get you to your goals. Now I'm also putting down some little boxes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Those are the days that I actually work on all of my orders for the shop. So I want to make sure that they're right at the beginning of the day so I know exactly what I'm working on when the day starts. I'm also going to be focusing on designing this week and a little bit of my health and fitness, which I do every week, but this week I really want to focus on getting back into the habit of drinking water. I have not been doing very well with drinking water, so that definitely needs to be a top priority of mine. So I'm actually going to be putting in these hydrate stickers every single day until it gets to be a habit again. I just think it's super important to stay hydrated, and to be productive, you definitely need lots of water. So I just filled in a little bit of the sidebar. So I have a couple different sections, of course, my design section, to do section, to buy, and then also to film. I like to write down all of the ideas that I have for filming. That way, when I am stuck on something to film, I can come back to my little film list and get some ideas. Now, I also put down some washi strips in the empty boxes up top. That way I am focused on getting my orders done this week. I also grabbed some little stitch labels. These are actually new in the shop. They're on clear sticker paper, so you do need to write on them with a permanent pen. Also available in our regular premium matte as well, so you can use whatever pen you like on the premium matte papers. I'm also putting down a little payday corner sticker on Monday because that's when I get paid on Etsy, and then I'm putting down a little teardrop sticker to remind me to start printing on printer number 2 on Friday. I do have 3 printers. I like to rotate them, but I always need to be reminded when I need to change out the printer. That way they don't die on me too quickly. Now, I've also been doing really well on getting out my videos on Sunday, and that is because I'm putting stickers down in my planner ahead of time and making sure that I am prepared for the video. So those stickers are actually from Obsessed with Cute. Unfortunately, that shop is no longer available, so I am trying to use up all of the stickers because I know you guys have asked where the stickers are from. Maybe I can get Brian to create some that are similar. If you guys really want them, definitely let me know down below. I also just put down my long road sticker. Oh my gosh, I love those. We're going to be going to the Cape on Sunday, so that'll be a fun little trip. And then of course my little watering can sticker to water my orchid on Thursday. And then last but not least, a little cell phone sticker to call my sister on Tuesday. So that is a look at how I set up my planner for the week. And actually, you got a little peek at how it's going to be looking for the rest of the month. So I still have my sticky note here because I don't like to write in my planner until Sunday, the week before I actually start planning in my planners. Here's a little peek at the first week of April. I used the springtime kit, but I didn't do a plan with me, so I thought you guys might enjoy that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!